My name is Benaya Jackson. I'm a sophomore computer information systems major.
Hi, my name is Sandy Hashisho. I'm a sophomore in information systems major.
I'm Riley Zeller, and I'm a junior information systems major.
Hey, I'm Adrian Fajardo. I'm a sophomore majoring in information systems.
Hi, my name is Kunal Patel. I'm a junior and an information systems major.
Hello everybody, my name is Naveed. I am an accounting major and I'm a junior at obviously MTSU. And today we're going to be talking about the UN sustainability goal of literacy and education in Brazil for our team, which is Team Green. And we are also going to be discussing the solution, which is the global funding for literacy, making it a more known topic across the world and within the country so that we can increase awareness and obviously push for change. And we also want to show the links between literacy, poverty, and food insecurity and how that all relates to it.
Okay, so for our project, we made a few personas so we can have a better understanding of where our audience would be coming from whenever they're using our website. The first one we made was Maria Aparecida. She's a single mother in Brazil. She has about 3 kids and she just wants the best for her family. So she will be using our website to try to find educational opportunities and things of that nature to boost her kids' life. The second one we have is Amanda Barnes. She's an MTSU student who's working on a presentation. So she's just coming to our website pretty much just to extend her research and just have a few extra facts to throw into her argument for her project. And one of the main things we did was make sure that the website was very user-friendly, for people who don't have much access or much experience with using computers and websites. So we made sure it was very easy, very readable, and very accessible for all users.
Our main problem is low literacy rates in Brazil, and through initial research, we learned that they're influenced by things like poverty, food insecurity, and a lack of equitable education opportunities. Through this beginning research, we also understood that our website needed to include clear stats, easy navigation for our users, both on the mobile and desktop views, sort of cause and effects explanations so our users can easily see the problems of poverty, food insecurity, and just lack of education in general and how that affects low literacy rates, and then realistic solutions that are easy to implement.
So we have used a cause, effect, and solution layout, which helps to disseminate the information regarding the issues that are present in Brazil regarding literacy. So starting with causes, we are outlining the causes that are prevalent, finding solutions that are actually able to be implemented properly, and then the solutions that can finally make change in literacy in Brazil. We've also decided to use easy colors of shades of blue that are easy on the eyes and also visibly pleasing. Fonts such as Open Sans and Bitter help to create a streamlined and easy to read website, along with infographics such as these quick stats that we have up on our TV. And consistent layout with Bootstrap helps ensure the website is easy and manageable and loads quickly for anyone regardless of where they are. Lastly, we have an improved hamburger-style menu navigation, which helps to show the website in smaller formats and also to create navigation regardless of which display it's on.
All right, so what we did is we made a wireframe to serve as a template for our website. It helped us create dead spaces for all of our information and images to be inputted to. So that's what we did. It helped streamline the whole process and made everything organized. And we also made sure to make it fit in the desktop, mobile, and tablet with all of its aspect ratios and displays.
We implemented the RAMS 10 designs principle to ensure we had a unique, easily accessible website to inform users of the topic at hand. We used Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS to provide the best experience for our users.
What's it called? Hello everybody and welcome to our homepage. This is where we are discussing Brazil's literacy, and we're showing our image as well as a carousel with a bunch of photos so that the users can visually see what's going on. There's also some links to YouTube videos and a link to get involved if a user so chooses. Moving on to the cause and effect page, we display the causes such as poverty and food insecurity, the effects of those, and the solution to solve the problem. Another cause is also adult illiteracy and the solution for that as well. Moving on to the literacy page, we just have a brief explanation of what literacy is and how it's affecting Brazil. There's also a visual and additional data that helps the user understand how big of a problem literacy is in Brazil. We also have a poverty page, which is the same format as the literacy page, but it just explains how poverty also affects literacy in Brazil. It also includes a visual to help the user better see and understand what is going on in Brazil. Additionally, there is a hunger page as well with an additional visual, as well as some data and how it affects literacy in Brazil. Finally, if a user wants to get involved, we do have a dedicated navbar link to a Get Involved page where users can find additional information as well as sites and links that they can use to obviously do more and have an impact, or at least be more educated on the topic.
There you go.
So the main differences between our mobile view and our desktop view for our website is, first off, all the information is stacked vertically instead of horizontally, so it makes it easier to navigate and nothing is too small or too big compared to everything else. It's just stacked on top of each other. And then another big thing is our hamburger menu navigation bar, where you can get to all different parts of our website through the hamburger menu, and it makes it so much easier to go between sites rather than everything being clustered at the top.